Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to upload multiple photos on your TikTok. So you can see most of the people are adding in pictures where you can swipe and look through all of the pictures they have uploaded. You can also do the same within a couple of steps. Firstly, make sure that you have all of the pictures that you want to add, and then from the home screen of TikTok, tap on the plus icon on the bottom, and from this page tap on upload and select all of your pictures. Select the pictures that you want to add and then tap on next on the bottom right. And now as soon as you do that, you can see that the photos now have been added as a TikTok video and they swipe automatically. Now if you want to add in the swipe effect on the bottom, you can also do that by tapping on switch to photo mode. After a few seconds, you can see on the bottom a slider has now appeared, and whenever you slide it, the photos change. Now you can go ahead and post it to your profile on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, and make sure to also turn on the notifications to our channel. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.